siyambulisa kakhulu ubaba oNdunankulu kwaZulu Natal kanye nabo bonke abecabinet lakhe abakhona phakathi kwethu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umghosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Namuhla bekumngcwabo waNontobeko Qele. Nontobeko Qele lo obulawa ngesihluku abulawa indodzi yakhe uSibusiso Lawrence. Bantu abaningi baba-attendile loya mngcwabo kufaka phakathi boBheki Cele, bantu njena tikhulu letiningi letatiwako because lendzaba ibendzaba mlonyeni. May her soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.